How to change a tag in Clash Royale. If you want to change a tag in Clash Royale, here is how you can do it in just a few simple steps. Open your Clash Royale application. Tap onto the three horizontal lines. From the pop-up, select Supercell ID. Tap onto the gear icon. From the setting interface, you have to tap onto the change. You have to erase your previous tag and enter your new name for your account. Remember, your tag will automatically be linked to this new name. If you want to update it, just create a new name and your tag will change along with it. Once you are happy with your new name and tag, confirm the changes and your new name or tag will be appear in the game. And that's it. Now you know how to change a tag in Clash Royale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.